All right. I know I'm supposed to be working on an engine block, but I need to turn my garden under. I also need to pull the rest of my tomato stakes up so I can turn that as well. And if I get done in time, we're going to start on that down there so that can be cut with grass. But I'm going to give it a quick try and see if it is soft enough to cut. If not, we're supposed to get some rain Thursday, so we'll see. So let me put the camera on the back of the tractor. Let's get going. Okay, you can see pretty clearly that it's dry, and from the dust in the video, it's definitely dry here. That little bit of rain didn't help. We're supposed to get some hopefully Thursday night, which cool it down so I can get in the tree stand and hopefully get a deer. So anyway, I left the butter beans up for now because there's still a lot of beans on there that can be picked and eat. I'm not in the mood to can them. I just want to pick them and eat them. So we'll wait till the boss gets home and we'll discuss it with her. And that section down there, I went and did a little test run, and it is too hard to cut with the disc. I'm gonna have to plow it first and then disc it and then grade it so we can grow grass on it and cut it next year instead of having a patch of weeds down there. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Things are looking up. The project I was working on went home yesterday. Another satisfied and happy customer. This Thursday, the cast comes off my daughter's arm. She's still got the screws in there. They're permanent, but anyway, so the cast comes off and we're good. She only had to have it on for 2 weeks so that everything could start setting back like it's supposed to. The doctor said it looked great. So that's good news there. And hopefully I can get back on the cub and start cranking out some more of those videos. And while I was away finishing up all this stuff around the house, got a couple new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. And hopefully I can start cranking out some more videos on tractors. I do have possibility of 2 tractors coming. One is green, one is orange. It's for paint only. I have not changed my colors. I'm still 100% red. But I enjoy working on tractors, and it's a little way to make a little extra money. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll get back to it as soon as I get done. Got to cook some hamburgers on the grill, so we'll see you soon. Have a good day.